Good morning, everyone. So, another day, another trade. Let's get right into it. Let's go. Hello everyone, I hope everyone's doing well. Guys, I'm looking at US oil here. I just bought US oil a few minutes ago and I'm gonna dissect the daily time frame going to the 15 minutes time frame to explain to you what I'm looking at right here. Now guys, as you can see, we have this bottoms right here, this strong support line that has just been broken through to the downside, convincing sellers to enter on this side of the market. They want sellers to be in, of course, for a reason. Now, as the market retraced through to the upside above the support line, we also formed tops right there that coincides also with this resistance line right here, testing it multiple times. So we're also trying to let traders enter on the sell side by testing a resistance line multiple times right there, as you can see. Now, on top of that, we have this huge impulse through to the downside that happened right here to grab the liquidity below this low. And if we go to the 4 hours time frame, you can see that this low is actually a double bottom right here, right there. So 1, 2, and we grabbed the stop losses below it. We also broke this huge support line. Sellers also are entering in this position. Now everything is telling me right now that on a short term, if nothing changes, oil is going to be bullish on the short term. Now let's go to the 2 hours time frame as well to confirm that thesis. And as you guys can see, let me go to another chart right there. And as you can see right here, guys, what we can see is we can see that the market formed this low right here. It broke structure through to the upside. So convince traders that, listen, the market is reversing, all this stuff. And then the market impulsed down and grabbed their stop losses. So what we did right here, we gave an inclination that the market is reversing, so traders start entering on this side, the short-term traders, of course, and then we manipulated them and we grabbed their stop losses, which means that the market is accumulating positions to the upside. This is why it's grabbing stop losses to the downside. So I was more bullish than bearish on oil for the short term. Now, as I go down to the 15 minutes time frame to my execution, as you can see right here, what's happening right now, it's pushing. Because it pushed like that, let me put up a screenshot on the screen somewhere just to show you when I entered this position. Now guys, as you can see right here, what's happening is we have this liquidity grab right there. We formed these bottoms and we grabbed it, which also happens to be this low. So the people who bought this double bottom placed their stop losses below here. They've been grabbed and then the market started pushing through to the upside. Now we have this trend line going through to the downside, 1, 2, 3 touches. People are selling. We have this order block where people also sold, and we have all these stops right there, which means liquidity to the downside has been cleared. Liquidity to the upside is still there. So I'm targeting the liquidity through to the upside. I think this is a great time to be taking partial profits as well. So I will be doing that after I close this video. And let's see how the rest of this trade goes. Hello everyone, so oil update. As you can see guys, the market pushed into my TP right here, wicked through it, came back to my entry and then pushed through to the upside and impulsed through my TP area right there. The market then retraced and now is pushing, oil is pushing right there through to the upside. Now I want to make just one important comment right here on oil, that as you can see, we formed all this higher time frame analysis, like, okay, oil is going up, oil is doing this, we just grabbed liquidity through to the downside and it's starting to go up, it's starting to retrace, and then what did we trade? We just traded this. This is our trade basically. Like, we form all these higher time frame analysis and then we come back and we just trade like a micro movement, a micro impulse on the 4 hours time frame that makes us money, and then we move away. This is something that I really want you to focus on, because we also went to the 2 hours, I remember, and we said that, okay, like this wick took stop losses, the market is pushing up and all this shit, and then what did we actually trade? Just this small retracement. And now I don't give a shit what happens to oil. It can melt, it can push through to the upside, I don't really care. I made my money, I'm out. That's it. So it's really important to focus on that aspect of the market. Form a higher time frame market thesis, divided into micro trades, small trades, get in, get out, you've got your money, leave. That's it. So I really wanted to comment on that. Now guys, if you want to contact me, DM me about any questions, any inquiries, feel free to do so. The link will be in the description of my Instagram account. And good luck. Like, feel free to subscribe, notifications, all this YouTuber stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. Good luck, guys.